Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how I made this deliciously baked whole salmon recipe that is so easy to make. Let's get started. We're using a whole salmon for this recipe. Make sure the salmon is laying on a large baking pan lined with aluminum foil. We're going to crimp the edges of the foil around the salmon to make a little boat just like that. Next, we're going to make a simple garlic butter sauce to spread on the salmon. So mix together melted butter and minced garlic. Pour half of the garlic butter mixture and spread it all over the salmon. Then keep the remaining half of the garlic butter mixture for later. Next, we're going to season the salmon with some spices. In this bowl, I have some brown sugar, paprika, Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder, red pepper flakes, salt, and black pepper. Mix everything together, then season the whole salmon with the spices. Grab the remaining garlic butter mixture, then sprinkle it all over the seasoned salmon. Make sure your oven has been preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the salmon into the oven to bake for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take it out of the oven. Then you're going to turn your oven to the broiler setting, and while the broiler is heating up, go ahead and baste the salmon with the drippings. Then place it under the broiler to broil for 5 minutes. Here is the fully baked salmon when it comes out of the oven. This has such a great aroma. I garnished with a little bit of fresh parsley. Allow this to sit for about 5 minutes before cutting through. This baked salmon recipe came out so flavorful and delicious. The salmon came out very juicy and soft. It just melts in your mouth. This recipe pairs really well with sautéed rice and steamed vegetables. If you guys would like to make this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thanks for watching. Bye!